fishing it's complicated. The fish most of the time change bait. The diet change, so they change the bait too. You will never with what fish can like. They can like ghost shrimp, they can like sand crab or mussel. If you don't know about when the fish change bite, then you can use bloodworm, because fish bites on bloodworm most of the time. And with bloodworm you can get any fish that you want. The only problem is bloodworm is expensive. The best hook, the one you can use for bloodworm, it's there is a special hook for bloodworm, but personally I like to use mosquito hook number 4, number 6 or number 2, depends what size is the fish. So I'm gonna leave some fish that was caught today in the end of this video.
Okay. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I wanted to give this to Luis just to say thank you. I've been watching JHLA Fishing for about 2 years now, and I've learned a lot of stuff, and I'm still learning. But I just wanted to give this to Luis just to say thank you for all the stuff that he's already taught me. So this is for you.
Thank you so much. Okay, this is a gift from my friend Daniel. Daniel is my friend. So let's see what's this. Oh my gosh. Fishing coach. Oh my gosh. It's my size. Yeah, it's my size.
Awesome.
Thank you, Danny.
Yeah, man. You're welcome. Thank you.
Wow. This is a big surprise. Wow. Okay, so you guys can see, very, very strong. Very strong. Well, water looks white, like from over there, it looks white. There is no fish in front, except sharks and some of the surfers. But most of the fish stay behind of the wall. That is like a wall. Also for surfers, that thing is a wall. Okay, we came here on the pier today. And the meal. We got some fish. There's a spotting croaker. It's a good size. Good size, this spotting croaker. It's the only one I got. Not me. This one, my cousin got this one. And there's a sargo too. Nice sargo. Good size. Yeah, and there's some more over there. Although we got like 20 maybe. So here's the fish we got. The croaker it's 15. It's about 1.5 pounds. The sargo it's about I think the sargo was 12. Or less than 11, but it's good, very good size, pretty big sargo. And the yellow fins are very good. I'm gonna clean them, so we're gonna eat all of them. My cousin got this one, my cousin got this one, both of them, and some of them Galdino got, some of them me, and some of them my cousin. Thank you to Danny for the shirt. Anyways, again, I'm not the coach, but I'm trying to share my experience that I learned from Daniel Gomez.